2015 INFINITI Q50. Really beautiful car, 3.6 or 3.7 liter V6 right there. What we got done on it for you guys, there's the factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single right there. That's Infiniti's way of an X pipe. I don't know why they do it this way, but whatever. And then it's got factory resonators there and there. Then 2-inch pipe all the way back. And what we put on it is 2 1/4 muffler deletes there and there. Out the back with 4-inch tips there and there, as you guys can see. There's the muffler. Where's the mufflers? Well, there isn't any mufflers. You threw them away already, but it's okay. So there was a muffler on it that's a dual in, and then it has center outside, so it's one single muffler. But it's okay. We're not worried about it right now. There it is after. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. I'm working on the subscribe. To subscribe. Q50 INFINITI all-wheel drive. INFINITI Q50 rear muffler deletes. And 4-inch tips. Ooh. Listen to that purr. That sounds amazing. There's the muffler we cut off that I was telling you guys we couldn't find at first. Again, there's sound decibels. Again, 105. Go on and back it up. This sounds so good. It's deep. That sounds phenomenal, guys. What do you guys think? I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah, we got you. I got the same ones in black too. Okay. Got a nice idle too. Whoa, 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 whoa.